Picture this. You step into your car after a long day, and it greets you not with the hum of an engine, but with soothing ambient lighting and the gentle scent of lavender. This is no ordinary vehicle. It's a luxury car equipped with wellness-focused features, turning your daily commute into a therapeutic journey. Imagine the car's cabin, an oasis of calm, where an aromatherapy diffuser fills the air with your favorite essential oils, and the mood lighting adjusts to your personal preferences. As you settle into the ergonomic seats, they begin to massage your tired muscles, easing the day's tension away. The wellness revolution in luxury cars is transforming the way we perceive driving. No longer just about horsepower and speed, your car is now a mobile spa on wheels, a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. Welcome to the exciting world of wellness-focused features in luxury cars, where your ride becomes more than just a vehicle, it becomes a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. But the wellness journey goes beyond physical pampering. Think of your car as your personal wellness coach. With advanced biofeedback technology, your car can monitor your stress levels, heart rate, and even brain activity. It's like having a personal mindfulness assistant right in your vehicle. Imagine your car's infotainment system adjusting the music or the ambience based on your emotional state. Feeling stressed? Your car can create a calming environment to help you relax. Need a pick-me-up? Your car can provide an invigorating atmosphere to boost your energy. And let's not forget about the built-in meditation app. Picture this. You're stuck in traffic, but instead of honking and frustration, you're taking deep, guided breaths, the gentle vibrations of your seat enhancing your mindfulness experience. Or how about squeezing in a quick workout during your commute with personalized fitness routines displayed on your car's screen? Your car becomes a bridge between the outside world and your personal sanctuary, ensuring the seamless continuation of your well-being routine. Of course, the road to wellness isn't without its bumps and turns.